Hello.
We got ultra low latency settings now. Is everyone okay? Everyone's good, yeah? Gonna wait for someone to join the stream. Is the poll still up in the chat? I cannot contribute to it. Hi all. Hi all. Hello all. Good check. Oh man, it's been days. Is the music loud enough? Is the music loud enough? Okay. Should be all good. Alright, I'm gonna add another poll in the chat. Hey, man. Hey, good to see you again. What are you planning to do? Actually, I had a poll in the previous stream before I ended it, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna ask you guys what you think the best option is. Right, make sure you all vote in the chat right now. All vote. Okay, the chat just decided to blow up. Look at this, right? Chat look on the right, it's just loading. It just blew up, man. I don't know what's going on today. It's really windy where I live right now, so. Okay, I put a poll up, right? It didn't even register. What the hell? Let's do it again then. One more time. Let's add another poll. It's the third time I'm doing it, alright. LeetCode. I probably won't be able to solve it, but we'll try. Then we got CodeForces. Then we got Handmade Hero. Then we got Random Project. Sick. Okay, now is it working? Can you guys see the poll? LeetCode. I bet it was Parham who voted LeetCode. Project, man. Estif Dev, welcome to the chat. How you doing today? Oh, it's mixed. mix between LeetCode, CodeForces, and random project. See what's going on in the Discord. Okay, I don't know what is going on with that thumbnail. That is not the thumbnail of this stream, man. Gotta edit that one. That's so weird. Yeah, so it says here the thumbnail is like this nice custom-made thumbnail, but on the Discord it's my banner, which I need to change because it's a bit childish. I had that years ago. Yeah. I wonder where my mods are. I wonder where my mods are. Oh, welcome out to the chat. Welcome out to the Discord. Oh, we love some newcomers, don't we, guys? Okay. I think I will start with a LeetCode. I've got quite a lot of time today. Oh, it's so white. That is so white. So blue. I'll turn on dark reading, that for like you guys, so I don't blind you all. Don't know why. My internet really bad today. My internet connection is awful. Let's load up my Arch Linux distribution. What is it? WSL, yeah. Okay. There it is. Neofetch. Do this one. Bro, really? Okay. Yo, what's up, Parham the man? You voting in the chat, yeah? Voting in the poll. LeetCode, CodeForces, or random project. Or handmade hero. But we all know the only person that's gonna vote handmade hero is... What's that brother's name? Where is it? No, not Nick. I think he changed his name. He changed his name anyways. Arch WSLAO, yes brother, because I'm not gonna like put all my files, I'm not gonna change all my files to Linux. I don't have time. It's a long process. Neofetch for aesthetics, exactly man, exactly. Everyone in the stream gotta know I'm aura farming Arch, man. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna do this one, although I might. It seems quite nice. Seems straightforward. Right, let's see. So We've got a 5 by 5 matrix consisting of 24 zeros and single number 1. Right, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Yeah, 5 by 5, okay. 24 zeros and a single 1, okay. Let's index the matrix rows by numbers from 1 to 5, top to bottom. And let's index the matrix columns from 1 to 5 from left to right. Okay, so just a normal 2D array. In one one move, you are allowed to apply one of the two following transformations to the matrix. In one move. I'm guessing it needs syntactic sugar. Syntactic sugar. Check this out. We'll be checking out Jutech. Also, welcome to the stream. I didn't know that. I forgot to say welcome. Okay. Swap to neighboring matrix rows, that is rows with index I and I plus 1. I'm so tired. For some integer I. 1 is less than or equal to I, and I is less than 5. Bro, I still don't know what matrix means. Your message got filtered. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that, but what is it? You can put it in the Discord chat, man. You can put it here. As long as it's safe, you can put it in the chat. Everyone will see. Okay. You think that a matrix looks beautiful if the single number one of the matrix is located in the middle in the cell that is intersection of the third row and the third column. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Count the minimum number of moves needed to make the matrix beautiful. What? So we just move it from wherever it is until the center. Okay. So from here to get to the middle, it's 1, 2, 3 moves. Okay. And then from here to get to the middle is just one move. Okay. That seems interesting. What's going on here? Oh, we're checking out this Linux, this Arch Linux new fetch. Fast fetch. Ain't no way bro got a 4070, that's crazy. Sick. Very nice, man. I'm liking the display. Do you thinking Gentu can be Arch? Bro, I can't read that sentence honestly. I was mainly trying to flex the CDN, but I can't post links in here. Gentu? Yeah, I don't know what that means, man. I can't lie. I cannot lie. So, I got the same like question every single stream. Where did I save my previous files? Don't know where I saved the files, man. From the last stream. Where, on what directory? So, it might be in here. My door is going crazy. The wind is smashing my door around. You guys can't hear it though. Ah, I'm in desktop, that's why. Okay. Documents. And then although I don't want to put it here, that's the GitHub, isn't it? You don't know what Gentoo Linux is? No, never heard of that in my life. Yeah, I need to put some weights on that though, because it's actually making a lot of noise. No, I've never heard of Gentoo Linux before. You know where we're gonna code in, chat? We're gonna code in the dev files. Oh yeah. Right, we're gonna do here, right? We're gonna do NeoVim, and then the beautiful matrix. C++. Now I've got to remember how the commands work. It's been 3 days since I used Neo Linux, NeoVim, whatever. Okay, so another code editor again. I've been in the same one for about a week now. I've been in NeoVim for a while. Okay, so how do I get in? Is it? Oh, it's L, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. The first input, 5 lines. So I've been coding in NeoVim for a while now. Okay, that's how you go. That's how you scroll in. Gonna message my mods. I did it for a while, then I can't be asked to spend an hour every day. I want to install a plugin. VS Code plus Vim goated. Yeah, this is just Vim but better. What can I say? Oh, how do I, bro? Like that. I actually forgot how this works. Like that? No. Was it W? It was W. Okay, W means save. It means write. Sick. Oh good, oh good. So we want to get 5 lines that contain 5 integers. So yeah, 25 integers total. That would have to be stored, obviously, not in 25 different variables. Print a single number, the minimum number of moves needed to make the matrix beautiful. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna need a vector for this one. So LeetCode is winning the votes. I'll try LeetCode at some point. I might do it today if I finish this. I want to try this one. It's a problem for a bit. The problem isn't even getting to the actual problem solving part, is the storing the inputs. Can I try data structures and algorithms LeetCode challenge with C++? I haven't tried it before, but I know I should. And I will. I will. So we've got that. I think a for loop would be good. Oh wait, no. No. Yeah, I would need a for loop, okay. Cool. Make sure to initialize I this time, blood. I is listed. 5. Man, I haven't coded in like quite a few days. Alright. So this will... Okay, if I just do like matrix dot what was it? elamp. Oh, what was it? I know there's one called pushback to add elements to it, but there was another one, another method. Bro, this door's still making a bunch of noise even though I put a weight on it. Okay. Vector append. Yeah, so we got pushback. What's the other one? It's with an E, with the letter E. It's fine. Don't need it. And then wait, is it integers? They are, okay. Each line contains 5 integers. Okay, I don't think they're separated with white space, so... I mean... Yeah, okay. This wind is crazy. I had to close the window to fix the wind issue, but now it's gonna get really hot in here. My GPU earlier today was on 80 degrees because I was playing Red Dead online. But yeah. Okay. and cn temp. That's it. Now if we, I'll just output the array to see if it works. What was it? What was it? How'd you escape? WQ, that's it. So now we go G++ U app. Oh wait, I know what I did wrong. I know exactly what I did wrong. I didn't specify that has to be an int. No, that's not it. WQ. Can we do that? Bro, what? There's not the... What? What? Matrix is not accessible in this for loop, apparently. That's crazy. What? Do you mean it's not accessible? It's right here, man. Okay, in the poll, random project is now winning. Interesting. I'm gonna read the error again. It might tell me what to do. Oh, you're taking a piss, bro. Well, I put an extra angled bracket. That's why. Now if we try again. Bro, what? That just gave me so many more errors. Hey bro, I just joined. Do you know linear algebra? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. What 17-year-old knows linear algebra? No man, I don't. But I'm aware it's a very good skill to learn. Oh no, it was supposed to be that. It was supposed to be that. Oh no, I was being silly. Wait, was it? Wait. One here. How old are you? Nix plays stuff. How old are you? If you're 17 and you know linear algebra, I applaud you, my brother or sister. You learn linear algebra in 8th grade. That's crazy. Just the calculus behind neural networks such as multi-layer perceptions and the perception itself. Yeah, normal algebra we do in normal school, but high school, like, what was it? University algebra we don't do until university, innit? What's going on with this pushback? Makes sense. Makes sense. I've never actually had to do that before. It's so weird. Try this again. Bro. Infinite errors once again. I'm trying to do such a basic thing. Do I use the new keyword maybe? We'll see, we'll see. This music's so dog shit. Yeah. You had to learn it for graphics programming. How old? You're 17. Sick, man. Well done, you, Nick. Graphics programming is definitely really cool. Yeah, Khan Academy is definitely a good resource. Well done, you, Nick. Now I've got to solve what's going on here. Because it's like every time I compile it, it gives me a different error. Oh, okay. Okay. It doesn't want me putting new. Wait, is it? I just crashed the thing, bro. I gave it such awfully written code, it just crashed my WSL. Let's try that again. Let's not crash this time, yeah? Let's not crash my operating system. Okay, I might do it a really disgusting way because this clear isn't working. I might just do like 5 separate integers. It's not letting me delete. Oh, I've got to press the delete button. Okay. You're writing your own config for Neovim with Lua. Yeah, I did that. I did that like 5 days ago when I was watching a tutorial from the what's it? Primogen, right? The Primogen. But halfway through the actual video, the tutorial, didn't get what was going on. If you want to try 3D stuff, you should try it. Linear algebra is fun. It was Primogen, yeah. But I quit halfway through the video because it didn't make sense. He was talking too fast. A bit too fast for me. He didn't really explain the actual concepts, what was going on, so. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to learn linear algebra when I'm in university. And all the other math stuff next year. So I'll prepare for it. I think I'm too silly for this one. I'm gonna try LeetCode 1. Oh, I'm not even signed into LeetCode actually. Don't wanna leak my email address. Okay, should be good now. I did do some in Python, like how many decades ago? Let's just see quickly what I did. Can I see my past solutions? Of course I can. Where is it? So welcome everyone new to the stream. Hope you're all good. You're doing well. Make sure to join the Discord server in the description. So yeah, so I first did two some in 2023, and then 2024, and then 2025 again, but in Python. And I bet you now, I can easily bet you, I forgot how to do it again. I bet I could figure out. Can I see my answer, please? No? Oh, I can. Okay, so I use the hash map. Anyway, I'm not doing two sum. Two sum has annoyed me for too long. Reverse integer? How is that medium? Palindrome number. I think this one will be fun. Use LeetCode. What's that? Never heard that in my life. Oh, programming interviews? Bro, I'm not doing programming interviews, man. I'm just doing this for fun, what can I say? Call me crazy. Oh, I don't even need my Arch Linux over here. I can just use this. Snake game when? We don't talk about that, brother. We don't talk about that one. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Okay? Palindrome, wait, let me remember if I know what that means. If the number's like the same backwards or something. It's a palindrome when it reads the same forwards and backwards. Oh yeah, right. Okay. LeetCode has a roadmap for LeetCode tasks and also has explanations. Just check it out. I mean, the description of the website didn't make me want to click on it. It's already get pro, but I'm not buying anything. Data structures and algorithms. I definitely need to learn that one. Oh, is it just Python? Is it just MongoDB? Oh, I've seen this roadmap before. Yeah. So you're telling me they're putting a hard problem right at the top of the map? That doesn't seem quite. And they're putting an easy problem right at the bottom of the map. That's crazy. That's crazy. The work's killing you, Merkel, man. Sorry. Just do the first, first left half compared to right half. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But please don't tell me the answers. I need to figure out myself. At the top left corner has extended roadmap. Top left corner. I mean, I don't get why they're putting a hard problem right at the top. Okay, so I'm guessing what I need to do first is half it. I need to do integer division. So I'm gonna half the actual index though. So wait, I got to convert it to a string first, yeah? How to convert a integer to a string C++. So I've never actually done it before. It was just two string, okay. Sick. String half index, half point, I'll call it that, equals, wait no, equals, yeah, seems like that's it. Okay, and then we need to do int half point, right, is okay. Just want to see if it compiles. I hope I didn't click. Divided by 2. Ah, bro. Forgot the semicolon. Guys, I forgot the semicolon. That's crazy. What? I've never seen that error in my life before. LeetCode is better. Just use 2 pointers. I think that's overkill. Overkill is pointers. I'm not returning any value. You hate coding? Fair enough, man. What's the name of the background music? This is the background music. It's by Orion. I'm not gonna send a link because might get copyrighted or something, but just search up Orion on YouTube. Gabe, if you could choose any tech company to work for, which one would you choose? Wait, why'd you call yourself dumb? You're not dumb, man. Don't say that. If I could work for a tech company, I'd work for my tech company. I don't want to work for any other company apart from mine. That's why you're into cloud data field. You still gotta learn how computers work, even in those fields, man. Okay. Oh wait, do I have to return something? Is that what you mean? Okay, I accidentally got the answers correct, but that's not what I wanted. I just want to see if it would compile. Okay. So it does compile. 666. All right. You return true or false depending on the condition. Like return true, return false. Alright, oh, just don't give me the answers, guys. Gotta try to figure out myself. You can give me like little tips, but not more than that. You guys gotta be on your best behavior because both my mods they're currently busy. Thank you. So I think what I'm gonna do is I can get the left side, so I think I can just store it as a string and then compare it, right? So string left side equals, we can use that, the half point is an index, so string x at index half point Can that work? I think I'm confusing Python syntax again. Let's see. Does it compile? No, it doesn't. Okay. Index. Is that gonna work? It's the problem with trying to solve in multiple languages. No, that's not gonna work either. Okay, how to index in a string C++. What are you talking about? You're here? Bro, I forgot. My bad. My bad, okay. Find. Substring start. That's not what I want, man. Google's awful. 0. Okay, now how do I do multiple? How to do the equivalent, I'm not spelling that right, of start, stop, step in Python, from Python, in C++. Oh, what was that? Nicholas Adams, welcome to the channel, welcome. Thanks for the subscription, man. You know, you're like the 3rd or 4th Nicholas. I hope you realize that. In tech, there's a lot of Nicholases, right? Let me see. We got like 3 Nicks so far. Crazy, okay. Have you made any projects before? I've never made a fully fledged C++ project before. I mean, wait. I mean, if you check the GitHub, right? You check my GitHub, brother. I made Snake. Shut up, man. Yeah, I haven't made Snake. He's lying. I started Snake, but I didn't finish it. But we don't talk about that. I mean, I made this, right? I made a custom terminal. You can check out. It's only like 20 lines of code or something. I don't do projects. I just want to learn the program. I just want to learn the language. Do? What's do? I've never heard of do before in C++. Do while. Okay. Let's check Stack Overflow first. Merkomash. Yes. Why do you have a bunch of projects in a single repo? The repo is supposed to have a bunch of projects. The difference between do while and just while is that do while will execute at least once. Okay. Thanks for the info. I think a normal while loop would just work. All of this overcomplication better be worth it. It better be like 1 billion times faster than Python. Otherwise, it's not working. It's not worth it. So that won't work. I mean, I could do a for loop and keep iterating until it gets to the middle point. You know? So you're nervous for when you encounter the AP exam. Wait, that's an American thing, isn't it? We don't have that in the UK. Yeah, that's in America. Advanced placements. Yeah, well, if you got that, good luck to you. You get A5 anyway, okay. Good luck to you, man. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure you'll do great, Ethan. I know you're smart. So, 5 is highest. Oh, okay. So it's like a 9 in GCSE, I get it. So, I need a new keyboard. The amount of times I've spilt like juice or Fanta on this keyboard is insane. It's not working anymore. I have to press a key like 8 times for it to work. I've been streaming nearly an hour and I've done F all. Muhaha, you guys know I'm the master procrastinator. Okay, let's do this. So, STD. No, wait. I'm gonna make 2 separate variables, right? So, string left side, and then should I just use a vector? That's not what I wanted, W3 schools. Append, yes please. String on the append. Okay, so it's just append. Easy. Easy. Okay, so left side dot append. And then we got string x at position I. Oh, I forgot to increase I. Okay, I++. So now we should have that left side. And then we just do the same for the right side. But it's half point times 2. And I will start at half point. Yeah? So that should be how it works. And then we check if left side is equal to right side, then what do we return? True or false? Okay, true. So return true, else I don't even need the curly brackets. And I don't need that either. Okay, let's see if this works. Of course it doesn't. Of course, I forgot the semicolon. Bro, how did I forget the semicolon? What the hell? Okay, let's try it again. Chat, I'm stuck. I need help. Give me some help. I'm allowing you guys to help me now. We got 31 votes in the poll, and LeetCode is currently winning. Good, because I am on LeetCode. So. Don't know what's wrong with this. It doesn't like me appending it. Okay, let's see if there's a problem with the argument. If we just do a test for A, just test A, that might work. No? Okay. One sec. I forgot the semicolon again. Stuck in the Python mindset. What can I say? What can I say, man? Okay, it works. Okay, right. I mean, the syntax works. So we know what the problem is. The problem is the actual argument in the append method. So it doesn't like me accessing string x with an index. That's weird. String x at position I, that's an index, right? Number. That should return the character at that position and then just append it, right? What's going on? What is going on? Welcome Saini to the Discord server as well. Yeah, I'm genuinely stuck, right? I'm genuinely stuck. It doesn't like me using this index. You use Proton? I don't know. I just have it in case. I just have Proton VPN there as a like just in case situation, because I never use VPNs ever. But just in case I need it, like for when I want to watch Netflix, right? I just have it. If I want to watch a different show, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's not working. You guys know what the problem is? Let's see if I do some debugging here. Let's print out what I is first of all. That might help decipher what's the problem. Can I not see the console? No. I don't think I can see the console. That is so annoying. Okay. Looks like we're getting back up to the WSL. Oh, okay. We're coding in the root directory, guys. What'd you say about that? What's up, original? It's good, man. Yeah, you gotta change my profile picture for YouTube. What should I change it to? Change it to EL. EL. Do that. And why do you have to? It's like someone forcing you to change your profile picture. It's a bit crazy, man. A bit crazy. EL, alright, bet, yeah. Vim users warm my heart. Yeah. Oh, too bad I'm not a Vim user, man. Too bad I'm not. Convert the character to a string explicitly. Raw dogging default nvim gigachad. I mean, I wouldn't want it to be this way, right? But when I was watching, what's his name again? The Primer Gens tutorial, I could not follow along. It was too difficult. Didn't make sense. Convert the character to a string explicitly. That does sound like the correct solution. I don't need WSL. We should be good then. So I just did toString. Yeah? Let's try this then. So std toString, and then we take in string x at position I. That should be correct. Oh, it worked. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Thank you. Who said that? Signy. Welcome. Thank you, Signy. I mean. Right. That was a very good solution. It seems like this condition is never evaluating to true, so let's do some debugging to test out what it is. Return. No. Oh, I want a boolean, okay. Fair enough. Looks like I will need WSL. You silly billies. Absolute silly billies. Right. Alright. Going to do the mandatory neo fetch. Then, neovim. What did I call it? Doesn't matter. Actually, it does. Okay, coding in root directory. Let's go again. Get kickstart.nvim. Kickstart will give you the starter plugin setup and explain everything in the comments. Okay, I will try it. Put it in an array and end it with /0. Well, I think it works now, original. I just want to debug. I want to see what left side is evaluating to. That was loud. Nothing important. All right. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, okay, good. I gotta configure this to make it my own. That's a bit annoying. I wish they'd just put a console here. Does LeetCode have a console? Oh, the music's good now. Anyways, where is it? I wouldn't need to do any of this if I could find a console. Test case. can't find it. Where are negatives no handled? GD and music. What do you mean? Good air music. It is good, yeah. You can just use 2 pointers after converting them into a string. 2 pointers? What on earth? For such a simple problem. No, I still haven't mastered pointers yet. So I'm just gonna do it normally and then I'll optimize it after. I'm pretty proud of myself. Did you see in the Discord server I was able to name out a MOBO of that guy just from looking at it? What, this one? What is that? Republic of Gamers. Well, it's a Republic of Gamers motherboard. Yeah, good job, original. Sick one, brother. Okay. B650EF. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. What the hell? You can't just guess such a thing. That is crazy. Oh. If it's negative as well, then it's also not palindrome. So if it has the negative, I just realized now, right? So I just read it. If it has the negative symbol, it's automatically not a palindrome. Okay, I'll sort that out later. You're pretty unemployed when it comes to these things. Yeah, I can tell. I don't need to initialize it. Well, I should get into habit of it. std sin x. Okay, let's try this out. So g++ app. That's too many errors, man. Why does live chat view not work? What do you mean? It does work. Oh, you're taking the piss. Wait, it's broken. Damn. Okay, let me fix it. 1 sec. Oh. Okay, while I'm doing that, you guys get to look at my beautiful face. So. Because there's some links which, if you guys access, will break the stream. So I gotta hide it for a minute. This is the second time it's happened, you know? Second time. What C++ learning material did I use? Whatever I find. LearnCpp.com. YouTube. Yeah. Thanks for that, by the way. For pointing out that it was broken. If you want to learn from YouTube, like video content, I would recommend low level. What's his name? That YouTuber, low level. That's it. He's just named. His name's just low level, right? This guy's really good. You can learn a lot from him. And I find him quite funny as well. Oh wait, I just realized you can't see the screen. Let's try this again, right. This guy, right? Low level. Go watch him, right? He's quite funny. I recommend him. But yeah. Wait, is that Linux? That's crazy. We got Linux in the chat, man. Let's go. Alright, back to this. Core dump is the GOAT for any low level stuff. Yes, man. There is a syntax on the last line. What syntax error? I've got to fix the chat, by the way. The chat is broken, as you can tell. So just give me a second. Chat is really broken, isn't it? Guys, just give me a minute. How are you all? Everyone answer to Linux. How are you guys doing? Keep them entertained while I'm fixing this. That should be it. Make it bigger. Oh, I can. Hello, Pupsy. You're making a trading, backtesting, and forward testing platform. What on earth does that mean? Bunch of big words. What can I say? Okay. That should be it. That should be it. It's not. Chatbox is literally cooked. Depends on what how means. So guys, I got a little thing for you, right? Translate how into Romanian. I know, I'm so funny, isn't it? Let's try this again. What bro, what? I've been hijacked by this platform. Original and Snoop, very bad boys. What have they done now? Oh. Snoop is not a bad boy, don't call him. He's done nothing wrong. Original is the original bad man. Okay, where is this? Browser, that's it. Chat box. No way, did I just delete the alerts thing? I deleted the wrong thing. No, I'm fine. Chat box. Okay. Is that good? You change your profile picture. Oh, what is that? What is that? Bro, what is this? Nah. That is some like university level drawing there, man. Linux, you got a new chat. You got a new cat chat. Linux, I told you to keep them entertained. You're not talking enough. Keep talking. Eluna. You changed your name as well. It's tough. You spend so much time on it. Now, I don't know why my chat is broken. Maybe it's because they want me to use their own like chat widget. Build my own element. Chat box. Bro, better start working 5 hours with locked in concentration. If I spam, will I get timed out? No, but well, no. You will get timed out if you spam, but obviously if you're entertaining, you'll be fine. Oh man. I want a chat box. I'm not procrastinating. Linux, don't push it. Don't push it. Chat widget. This is broken, man. This is broken. Your rep on the Discord server is ruined. Why? What's going on? Oh, shit. What's going on here? Got some racist people here, man. Absolute racist people in here. Absolute racist people. You know what? I'll fix the chat another time. Fix it another time. Clearly does not want to be fixed. Refresh cache. That did not fix it. Whatever. I'm losing time. I'm losing time. I've got to do this thing. So. Why is it not compiling? Right. Okay, everything was working up until this point. Unqualified ID. What on earth are these errors? What on earth are these? Ah, I've got no main method. Frog Imperium, you deserve a high five for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. You saved the day. You saved the damn day. What can I say? NeoVim's a bit stupid. You can't highlight it and then tab to indent it. So we're gonna have to deal with this for now. It works. Oh, it compiled. It compiled. It compiled. Fuck's sake. Okay, now let's do. Zero is not palindrome. What are you talking about? Where did we get that zero from? I didn't even output anything. See out. Ah, the index. Okay. Okay, well, I don't need to output the index anymore. I know it's zero. Let's try that again. Wait, before I do that, let's debug std cout. Left side is How did I get errors? I literally just see outed, man. It literally compiled. It compiled 1 minute ago. 1 minute ago. Oh yeah, fair enough. Oh man. Rookie error. Let's try again. Oh, it didn't work. Didn't work. It crashed. It crashed. Guys, I'm just gonna go to Visual Studio. It's crashed again. I've got nightlight mode and it's torturing me. It crashed. No? Okay, it survived again. We're fine. Linux, I'm not using Vim, I'm using NVim actually. You can indent with Vim motions to indent a line. Alright. You're trying to type 180 words per minute for 15 seconds. Good luck, Eluna. You just joined. Question: why is this man using Terminal as his code editor? I'm not. I'm using NeoVim. NeoVim is a text-based editor, terminal editor in Arch. Is that going to compile? No, it won't. Of course it won't. What's going on here? Ooh, good job. 187 words per minute in 15 seconds. It's pretty slow, man. It's pretty slow. What can I say? Bro, you got a skill issue. What can I say? Just get a new PC. You've been practicing maths. What? Algebra? A plus A. Still don't get what the error is, man. Let's comment this out. No, so that's not the error. It says there's an error with the brackets. Is it because I didn't return anything? Nope. I don't get what's wrong with my code. X is initialized, we're putting C into X, converting it to a string, storing it in string X. We're getting the half point, storing it in an integer. Initializing left side and right side. We're looping through this. I mean, it literally worked on LeetCode, so I don't know what's going on. Return in main doesn't do anything. Okay, because I had that problem on LeetCode. When I did return 0, it fixed it. Main is a special function where you can omit the return. Alright. You still have an STD out. What do you mean? No, I don't. Ah. I didn't see it. There was 2. Thank you again, Linux. Okay, but that wasn't it. Fucking hell, so many errors. Okay, it says the brackets are the only errors here. Left side does not name a type. Yes, it does. It crashed again. It crashed again. Check one of your square brackets. Curly brackets. I'll try if my editor won't crash on me. Let's try it one more time. You know, I think a problem might be because I'm coding in the root directory. That might be a problem. We will never know. So C out is good, C out is good. These are good. Look, this int, this main function has the correct brackets. This has correct brackets. The for loop does not. Okay. 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 That fixed it. Okay. Now do A. If we do 5, 5. How did we get 3? How did we get 3? Honestly. I mean, at least it compiles now. Chat, I say Gabe needs to learn how to read error message. No. We're never reading error messages here. We just go by guessing. Original. The angled brackets, they signify if you're putting it into the stream. It's a bit wide shift in Python. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, right? Right. Am I wrong? Am I silly? Yeah, it is right. So that's the left shift and that's the right shift. Just as a side tangent. Use Notepad? No. Maybe in the future. You're re-appending left side in both loops. wait, Codex, is that true? Is that true? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, man. That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh, I feel so silly, man. Okay, let's try again. So let's do 55. Where are we getting 3 from, huh? Also, right side is wrong. That should be 35. Wait, no. That should be 5. Okay, try again. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 3, 5, 3. Where are you getting 3 from? Where? It's probably the index, isn't it? But we're not including the index in the calculations. What the hell? Try this one. How is I 5? Oh wait, no, it is. It is. That's correct. That is correct. So how are we getting 3 then? Okay, the for loop is working correctly because it's only outputting twice, which means it's only looping for the first 2 numbers, which is correct. But how are we getting 0, 1? Come on, man. This was supposed to be an easy project. This was supposed to be an easy problem. Linux, what was that command you gave me last stream that copied the file out of? Copy the contents of a file. Copy. What was it, Linux? Come on. It's not Xclip. Not Xclip. What is it? You know, we could just do like there was a copy command that you could copy this file to the clipboard. Yeah. And then I can use it on my Windows version. You have no idea. I swear it was you that said that to me. Clip. PB copy. It was. I think it was PB copy. PB copy, and then after. No, fuck. Why would you copy the file? I'm just trying to copy the code so I can get it into Windows. So I don't want to rewrite all of it. I think I just will, honestly. I think I just will. Unless, can I copy all of it? No, I can't. Let's do this. Speedrun. You can move the file, yeah. How? How? Oh wait, I can. I can just put it on the mount drive. The drive, what's the drive called? Move app.cpp to mount / c/users/ like that. No way it worked. No way it worked. It actually worked. It's on my desktop. I'm actually so smart. I'm actually so smart. Alright. Okay. I mean, we're coding in Notepad++. Where is it? Who's the guy that wanted that? I mean, we got it by accident. Snoop. Fuck. Anyways, right. Let's try this then. I do not want to debug. Let's try that again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not a palindrome, no. It is a palindrome. Okay, so it gave the answer that it is a palindrome. I mean, wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's right, I think, but it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. It's right by accident. It's such a cursed program. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is so cooked, right? It's giving the correct answer. Look, it's giving the correct answer, but it shouldn't be, right? Because I've coded it in such a bad way. Let's see if it works. Let's just see, right? Because if it works, I'm just gonna leave it. If it works, just leave it. Oh no! I need to format it back to LeetCode standards. Okay. I can you. Oh, I can. Okay. I'm gonna indent all of this like twice. Oh, that's annoying. Let's go here. I don't need the debugging anymore. Alright, okay. So I gotta just return true now. And then return false. Now let's see if it works. Oh wait, my bad. Forgot about that as well. Okay, let's try again. My bad again. Let's try it. Come on. Let's not have any more silly errors. No? Also, STDC out does work. Okay, it worked on 2 of the cases. So bad. Gabe is in his evil era. Classic program, it's right, but it shouldn't be. Yeah, I mean that's literally what's happening right now. Hi, sir. Abgehoben. Welcome to the stream, man. Giuseppe. What happened to that? You retracted your message. Is that something naughty? Is it something you shouldn't have said? I'm not sure what my mods are doing. What's going on, but I trust in them. But yeah, it's not working, so... Check this one. Oh, rubber duck debugging. See this one, yeah? This is my rubber duck. Got it in London. When I went a few years ago. It's what's it? David Watkins? No. Who's that? The detective, right? He looks like the detective from Sherlock Holmes, right? And I use him to explain my code sometimes. Beautiful. This seems easier to do in C. Why am I using Windows? I don't know how to answer to a question. That question. I just am. Try to do less than or equals to. Okay. What, to both of them? Or just the second one? So it's always outputting false. It's this condition's never returning true. Fair enough, man. So right side is 49. Wait, left side is 49. That's completely wrong. Completely wrong. What? Bro, what? The actual number that was inputted is 121. I do not see a 1 nor a 2 in either of these inputs. How bad is this program that I've made? How bad is it? It hasn't even used the numbers that it's given to me. That is crazy. I'm literally indexing into the number that they gave me, and it's giving me numbers way out. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock, no home, because you're a computer science student. Don't call me sir. Don't call me sir, Black. Too young for that. You can call me sir in like 5 months, but not now. Let's do some more debugging, yeah? And then I just copy and paste that one. Okay, let's see how it gives us. Zero, 1, and then 0, 1, 2. Okay, the indexing does work correctly. 0, 1, 2. It does index into the string correctly. So that's not the problem. I need some water. Oh, I didn't see the view more button. My bad. Okay. So left I is 0. And then string at position 0 is 1. Yeah. And then it skips to the next loop because we're at the halfway point. Okay. So right I starts at 1, the index 1, which is good. That's what we want. Which is 2, and then that is 2, yeah? That puts that, it appends it in the right part of the string. And then second index, which is the third one, which is another 1. Yeah, that's 1. So if we got the correct indexes and the correct answers for the indexes. How on earth are we getting 49 and 50, 49? How? That is baffling. That is baffling, man. Baffling, bro. I'm so cooked. This don't make sense. This don't make sense. Where are we getting 4 and 9 from? I think you might be converting to ASCII values. You know, I was thinking it was this function that was a problem. Tackle, I think you're right. I think tackle is the answer. String doing some funny business, yeah. Let's see if that's the problem. This music's epic as well, I can't lie. Okay. Oh, tackle. You're right, that's crazy. 5-head tackle. You know what? You're the hero. That's it. But what's the alternative to 2-string? I need an alternative. And Google is not helping. No, because if I append without 2-string, then currently string I is just a character, yeah? And it doesn't let me append characters to the string. Oh, wait, one more. If you try to append a character to a string, it gives you an error. Look. So this was the whole error. This is the whole problem we had from the beginning. You can either use the C style cast or the C++ way. Well, I want to do it the way that works. It wants us to use a string literal. Numbers to strings. Okay. That makes sense. But how to convert? I mean, I already searched it up and just gave me the 2 string. Okay, or we can just do how to convert from ASCII to string in C++. That might work. ASCII to string. Static cast. I don't get why this language has to be so complicated. I'm just trying to convert a string to a bloody string. Try the constructor. I'm not overcomplicating it. I'm just trying to think in a logical way, man. I mean, in a normal language, we could just append a card to a string. I mean, that wouldn't be a problem normally. C++ is really like, fuck. Oh shit. It's making me do stuff like that, you know what I mean? I gotta contain myself for the stream, dude. std string C. That might work, actually. Actually, that might work. Right, let's try that. Okay, we don't need debugging anymore because we know that works. So, string X at position I. Let's try that. It didn't work. You can try static cast string if you want to use static cast, might work. You did it in 11 lines in C. That's crazy. Technically, you don't need to build those strings anyway. You could just use substring to split those strings in the middle. Alright. I know you guys think I'm like the silliest guy on earth, but I already tried the strategies you're telling me at the beginning, right? If you go back to the beginning of this stream, when I started this problem, I wanted to do that, right? I wanted to do that sort of substring method where it takes in the start of the string and then the middle of the string as a parameter, right? But I couldn't find out the way to do it. So that's the only reason I have these for loops, right? That's the only reason. Because look, right? I was thinking, right? I was just thinking, I could just apply the Python way to this one. So for example, I don't remember what I did at the start of the stream, but it was basically like it was from start until midpoint, and then you stop there, and then right side, and then midpoint until the end. But obviously C++ doesn't support this stuff, so I just couldn't find a way to do it. You know what I mean? It turns the string into the car. Oh, okay. Just retire already. I haven't made my meal yet, man. Gotta get the bag first. Left side dot append. That's what I meant. That's the cleanest approach. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with splitting the string, but I'll try it. But I think I already tried this, it didn't work. Okay. Okay, yeah, I get it, Taku. It's not needed currently, yeah. There are multiple ways to solve the problem. Now you're getting the real numbers instead of 49 and 50, yeah. So, that's it. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all the help. That is it. Yeah, now this is getting a bit, this is the annoying bit, right? Because it obviously is a palindrome. But, yeah. I guess my approach of doing it wasn't good. Now you're checking if one is 21 which gives false. Yeah, I'm trying to fix that. You can loop through the characters of the string X using a for each loop instead. What difference would that make? You just need to check if the length is an odd number, and if it is, make the left side include another digit, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I don't need to std outer, c outer. I need to return true and false. I want to try finish this before 9 PM. I can finish it in another 10 minutes. I mean, it's just the last, this is just the last section, really. Original just beat it. He beat 100% of people on this problem. That is crazy. There's 100, what was that? 11,000 test cases. Sick. Good job, man. Damn, bro is ruining his life already, and he's only 17. Yeah, I mean, you could say learning C++ is the way to go out. It does make you want to smash your entire setup. So. As long as you keep in those anger emotions, you'll be fine. Instead of doing if left side is right side, return true, why not just return left side equals right side? You heard of Dante's Hell? Yes, I have. Tackle, that wouldn't make it, I mean, it would look better, right? But it wouldn't make a difference. Because the answers will still be wrong. It's still gonna, yeah, be false. Basically, it's matter. It wouldn't make a difference other than saving lines of code, but I need to fix this problem first. Oh wait. Oh wait, no. Fuck. That's harder than I thought. I mean, I'll do it if it makes you happy. Guys, I think I'm cooked. Where's debugging line 41? Oh, my bad. I didn't see that. Oh, I'm really tired. Come on, I gotta finish this. I gotta finish. The thing is, right, it's making it really more complicated because I actually misunderstood what the definition of palindrome is. I thought it had to be, in order to be a palindrome, it has to be 1 2 1 2, right? So instead of 1 2 1, it'd be 1 2 1 2. But it just has to be 1 2, and then it does 2 1 as well, right? 1 2 and then 2 1. So I have to start counting in a weird way. I'm not explaining it well, but I think I might pause this if I don't figure out. Try to run it. This language is so fucked. It's like, I literally fixed the error just by changing the speech marks. That's crazy. Anyways, yeah, it doesn't give an error. It's just a logical error. Everything else works apart from this one. I hate this language so much. Sometimes. It's a love-hate relationship. Love-hate. What is that funny square in cases 2 and 3? I believe it's the STD end line. It could just be that. That might fix it. No, it didn't fix it. It seems like it's just a cursor. Like the cursor didn't render in. I don't know. I mean, at least the music's good, you know. Seems like you're printing data outside your array. Outside the string. Where? If I would get an out of range index error, it would have happened by now. The indexes are fine though. Try to make a string with the left side. That's how the square would appear. Try to make the string with the left side and right side. And check if it's equal. And then the original input. Yeah, but this is C++. Might be a difference. Linux, I don't get what you're trying to tell me. I don't get what you're trying to tell me. Neither in C++. Okay. Fair enough. So, what? What, you want me to concatenate the strings together? Linux, I don't understand your English, I can't. ASCII only covers half the 8-bit values. That means if you set it into something outside there, it will likely just be a box. Okay. Sick. Concatenate the left sides with the right side. Yeah, that's what I thought you said. Then check if it equals with the original input. That's not what a palindrome is, you melon. That's not what it is, blood. I mean... You regret having the name original on YouTube. I got pinged twice by Linux accidentally. Ah, yeah. Fair enough. What? Why does this work? Why does this work? Shouldn't you ignore comments with hints and answers? LeetCode meant to be solved by yourself to get experience. 100%, man. 100%. But I've been doing this for like 2 hours. And I'm tired, man. Original. And for one, just so you know, at the start of the stream, I always tell them to not give me any hints or answers, but like 2 hours later, I say you can. Yeah, it's fine. If I'm really struggling, I can accept hints. Trying to solve LeetCode on your own is just a waste of time that doesn't benefit you. Well, I'm doing this for fun. Any coding teaches you. Gabe tried to check the other solutions. What, submit? Wait, I don't think it worked though. Yeah. It didn't work. Wait, I should put this one up here. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, it went from 22 to 25. What do you mean output false? 1 + 1 is 1 T1, bro. What do you mean? The square. Oh, it's the square again. The square's the problem. Okay. How to remove the last element in a string. C++. Original, we do not accept degrading yourself. It's a bit cringe, what can I say? If it's fun for you, that's all good. I just think if you want to do it for learning, it's much better to Google, get help, and understand how the solution solves the problem. Yeah. I'm trying my best, man. I'm trying my best. Should have listened to me again. The solution was... This is so cursed. Yeah, the index issues are the problem. Bro, I'm trying to listen, but I'm not sure about the syntax. I think in case of stuck with problem for too long, better to use something like ChatGPT study mode with enough context that actually gives solid hints to solve it on your own. That's a good idea, N for one. Let's try it. Bro, what? Not a robot. Working with strings can be weird. Yeah, it's a bit silly. Study mode, where is that? There, okay. Where's study mode? Is it this one? Yeah, I don't know where this chat mode is, but just use C-style strings. Just scroll up, we want to see the right side variable, what it does, keep getting errors. Or it's just that box. That box at the end. How to enable it? How to enable ChatGPT. Click the plus. Bro, what plus are you talking about? Oh, this one? Ah, okay. Alright. I'm trying to solve this LeetCode palindrome problem. My code. Don't give me the answer, but push me in the right direction. Let's go. Study mode sounds cool. Let's see if it is good. Converting the number to a string and trying to compare halves. If the first character equals the last. What? And the and the second equals to the second to last and so on. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I didn't think of it in that way. Wait, that just opens up a whole new world of solving it. I'm thinking of a completely different solution now. You're building left side and right side using a half split, but then you try to compare them directly. That only works if you reverse one of them. Okay, yeah, so I need to reverse right side. Oh, yeah, right side. Instead of trying to glue halves together, what if you walk from both ends towards the middle? How do I do that, man? That avoids the left versus right strings not lining up. In the second loop, you're currently iterating I less than equal to. Why stop there instead of end the string? I think ChatGPT is being silly now. Because I initialized it to have the half point value as for the I variable. Can I ask, do you want to keep the string based approach or would you rather try solve it working with an integer directly? You can't do that. How are you supposed to index into an integer? What? I guess you don't have to index it. And this is an easy problem, bro. I'm so cooked. That's why I said you're overcomplicating it. Overcomplicating is my speciality, if you haven't noticed. Oh, I'm so tired. You know what? I'm gonna end the stream. I will continue this on the next stream, right? Because I'm simply just too tired. I can't stay up any longer. But yeah. What time is it? It's 9 p.m. You can see at the bottom right of the screen, it's 9 p.m. right now. Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate all of you guys stopping by. And I appreciate all your help. And I promise we will solve it next stream, okay? We gotta rejuvenate, gotta sleep and that. Wake up with a fresh new brain. I actually don't have college tomorrow, so I can just wake up and like try solve it. So we'll try to do that, yeah? W stream, thank you. Why bed so early? Because I had what was it? I'm so tired, I'm slurring my words. Basically, I just had to wake up at like 6-7 a.m. So I slept at 2 a.m. and I woke up at 7. So that's basically what's going on here. But yeah, thank you. Right. What college? In the UK we have college from 16 to 18. So. But I don't have college tomorrow. I start college on Tuesday. So you woke up at 1 p.m. Epic, man. Okay, alright. Thank you guys for watching the stream. Big helping. Hope to see you next time. Make sure you hit the like button, right? Like right now. Like. Right. We wanna get the likes. College fish and chips. In UK it is. Yeah, that's how it is in the UK. On guard, alright. Make sure you guys subscribe and yeah, see you next time. Good night. Good night.